How to fix if your Snapchat app is not working properly. Now, if your Snapchat app is not working properly, you need to figure out what is causing the issue in the first place. Most commonly, these problems occur because of your internet connection. Now, check your internet connection. If it is working properly, then it's not because of the internet. If internet connection is not working properly, then you need to contact your ISP to fix the problem with internet. Now, if it is not the internet, you need to go into the app setting and after that select Snapchat in there, and after going in the app settings, select storage and clear the cache. Now what this will do is it will clear the cluttered cache, which will cause this kind of issue more often, and after clearing those cluttered cache, your issue might get fixed. Now if this does not fix your issue as well, you should check for the latest updated version of Snapchat and update to the new version if you are using old version, and after this your problem might get fixed. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.